Hello there, it's Jelly from WTIA. Let's talk about this deodorant from the brand Degree. I am a girl who likes to move a lot, to do a lot of exercise and dance a lot, and I need a deodorant that can be my best friend to keep my underarms cared for. And this deodorant from the brand Degree is the best. I've been using it for a long time, and every time I put it on, I love it more because it makes me feel fresh and clean. I love its scent because it's not overwhelming and it suits me perfectly. No matter how much I move, how much I sweat, this deodorant tells me I'm always with you, and that makes me feel very good. It takes care of me for up to 48 hours. I love its design because it has my two favorite colors, and its size because I can take it with me whenever I go. So, this cute deodorant from the brand Degree can be your companion at the gym, at work, in your everyday life. And that's my point of view.